The following video shows how to make a cute tote bag for a favorite teacher, or if you're the teacher, to make it for yourself. If you enjoy it, please like and share it. Thanks, everyone. I'm just going to eyeball this. Don't have to use a release paper, but I'm going to, just because this is our matte vinyl, so we only need to leave it down 3 to 5 seconds. And it's a warm peel. I think I'm going to leave it down longer. I'm going to put something inside of this to raise this up a bit. That will give a little bit more padding to the inside and get rid of some of the bulk that's down here. All right. Since I've added that extra padding to it, it takes a little bit more strength, and I had to adjust my pressure again. I think I'll cool this off a little bit with our cooling block. Yeah, using that towel inside helped that a lot. Give it another 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, here's the first side. My students are the reason. And now I'm just gonna leave that in and do the other side. Give it one more press. I think this will be fun. She could just put all of her stuff in it that she takes to school. She teaches, I want to say 2nd grade. She changes some years, so. And there's that side. So here's her little bag. Thanks, everyone. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.